The ghost in the feed, slaves to the trend. 04, the target of the feed. In the heart of Soho, where streets braided history and neon, Noah's world began to unthread. The murder had come to pass exactly as the cryptic messages had promised, a cold proof of how anonymous whispers in the digital void could direct real violence. His channel, once a modest corner of the internet, had gone viral overnight. Views climbed, comments multiplied, then a final ping cut through the din. He paused, feeling inevitability settle over him like the damp London fog. The notification held a short video. His own face looked back, a montage of his daily routes through the city, winding alleys, the hum of the underground, captured by 1,000 unseen lenses. He watched himself move, a ghost trapped in a lattice of frames, each one stripping more anonymity away. The words, "total erasure tomorrow," lodged in his skull. Paranoia crept into his throat. His breathing became shallow, palms damp. In the cafe, every smartphone gleamed like a watchtower, every passerby a possible witness. Outside, the sky was iron gray, rain misting the pavement and turning reflections into blurred accusations. CCTV eyes glared from corners. The city felt cataloging, clinical. He decided he must disappear, become a phantom he had never imagined. As he rose, a flicker beyond the glass drew his gaze. A figure under an umbrella, face hidden. The figure turned slowly, looked straight at him. Time stretched. Alley, threat or trick of light. Noah's heart thudded. The game was far from over.